Good morning. I clipped a shade cloth on my clothesline and nailed it to the fence because my plants were getting annihilated by that sun. So yesterday I had to spend the day up on the roof. I went up there and made sure there was no leaks and patched it up. I do that every year. But it looked pretty good. There was just a couple spots that were kind of cracked a little bit. So I fixed those. I've used them. I put the last of my gas in. I'm going to have to go tomorrow and get gas. But also I'll be picking up my solar generator, so that's awesome. I got a bunch of stuff here now to go to the dump. I'm always going through things and getting rid of stuff, so, you know, with my building, and you go through and organize things sometimes. Thought it was so funny, Bill and Mason said this looked like a grave. That is actually going to be a thermal greenhouse. I'm going to dig that out real deep and make my greenhouse in there, and then in the bottom I'm going to put a shelf for like a little root cellar area. So just so you know, it's not a grave. We had a very heavy rain yesterday afternoon into the evening. So this tote is full. I'm not sure how much was in there. I've been using it for cob and watering. But it's full now, and I moved it over here. I had intended to use that for the first flush and then move it. So it's going to rain again today. But these are for watering the garden, doing laundry, making my cob. So I'm very grateful to be getting water in there. Now I'm going to staple this plastic on the wall real good. It can't be floppy at all or it'll rip right off. It didn't get it too bad. Looks like it smoothed it out a little. Yeah, I'm going to cover that with plastic. We're supposed to have rain for about 5 or 6 more days, which I sure do welcome that. So I've got this painter's plastic all over this. The wind blows so hard, I don't know how that's going to hold up. But it's worth a try. I've got some tarps I can put over it if this doesn't work. Hopefully it will. Save the cob. Well, one thing that'll make me happy when this cabin is finished is not having these piles. I just want to look out and see a nice open space. But all in good time, I suppose. I picked up these flower seeds. It's called Desert Bloom Mix. And there's just a ton of wildflowers. There's 2,000 wildflower seeds in here. Annuals and perennials. It says it thrives on neglect. They don't like to be overwatered. So it says plant before the rain. So you have to rake the soil and then water until germination. Well, we're supposed to get rain all week, so this is the perfect time. So I'm going to rake this area, sprinkle some in here and some down there, Some of them are bound to take. There's coneflowers and daisies and California poppies. All kinds of things in here. So I think something will grow. I'm going to try it. That should be fine. It says lightly rake it. So now I'm going to sprinkle some of these. Well, I really don't think that painter's plastic is going to work on that. I'm going to probably have to buy another tarp, unless I guess I could bring the cabinets in here, but then I'll have to move them every time I work on a wall. Might have to buy some more tarps to put over that. I just don't think that painter's plastic, it's so flimsy. I doubled it up where I stapled. I tried to, make it thicker. So I don't want a cob when we're going to have some real rough rains. This wall, it didn't do too bad, the big wall. But this one over here, it really beat this one up. So I don't want to keep putting cob on, because it'll just wash it off, or, it really wears it down. So I thought I would get to work on building that bathroom wall, making my shower pan and those kind of things in the corner, and work on the plumbing, because the rain can't hurt that. I'll do whatever I can do inside here. And I'm going to do the bottles on this wall, because the rain doesn't touch it at all with that porch. I'll be so glad when we have that front porch on. There is a lot of work to do still, obviously. But yeah, I've been feeling a little fatigued today. I don't think I'll do too much. I got that plastic on, cleaned my solar panels up. And, not a whole lot. I didn't get a lot done today. I feel like I need a break for a day or two. Or just stay in and work on my bottles or something like that. And then I'll make a plan what to go for next. Yeah, I really need a break, I think. So, anyhow, that's how it's been going around here. I appreciate you guys watching so much. And if you do want to buy me an overpriced cup of coffee and support the channel further, the link is on my homepage. So, I'm going to call that a wrap for now. And I appreciate you all so much. I'll see you again soon. You take good care.